It's an honor to be standing here, and I would like to actually give you a short brief what this whole idea is about. And also I will speak partially in Urdu and English to make it easier to understand what is this whole concept is. Hashu Group is basically making a history of opening a first Chinatown in Pakistan. The concept of Chinatown to bring all the retailers and manufacturers starting from Barrier Sky, and they will expand provincially and district-wise and council-wise. They are planning to establish at least 9 exhibitions all over Pakistan. Starting with one first phase, they will be having an 11 category. What it means basically is, let's put in a perspective. मैं example के तौर पे आप लोगों को एक crude example दूंगा basically. Let's pick any of the wholesale market, starting from Shah Alam. Every market has 5 or 10 main wholesalers. Basically, we need to understand the supply chain concept. The Pakistani problem, it has vast supply chain. Only few of the people were able to go to China and procure the equipments for their category and bring it to Pakistan. What Hashu Group is trying to do is break that channel. If put in example of somebody, a wholesaler of Pakistan, go to China, they buy their product for, let's say, $100. Not necessarily mean they are buying from the source factory. Let me explain what is source factory. Source factory is basically who provides the raw material to the smaller factory. Not necessarily mean if a wholesaler is buying from the source factory. So we have worked out a plan of buying the source factory and cutting down the margin by 15% or if somebody buys from China, which means a wholesaler from China, from Pakistan go to China, buy a product of $100, we can buy for $85. This is layer one. The second layer we need to add here is we will be also collaborating with the government official to initiate this process and give us incentivize on a profit as well. Third layer is if we able to pull this off in next 6 months, we'll be doing a massive volume. Let's say we're talking about a one wholesaler capacity as a buying of $10 million. With the Hashu Group, we will be covering all the Pakistan in order to negotiate a better rate in saying that another 15%. So basically what it means is if a wholesaler is buying directly from China and selling to the B2B, it has a gap of 30%. So that's a window in time to play. And again, it will open an opportunity for the small traders to buy directly from here instead of going to China. Like hypothetically speaking, if anybody wants to go to China, unfortunately out of 100 people, 10 लोगों के वीज़ा लगते हैं. 90 people unfortunately have no way of buying directly from China. They have to buy from local wholesaler. So that's the supply chain we are trying to break in order to pass the saving to the end user, which means we are trading off 30% of selling price to a small buyer, first mover advantage. So this will be a saving of between 25 to 40% of in each category. So start off, we have initiated, inshallah, the plan is to open this exhibition hall in next 3 months. The plan is to open in the 1st of October. We've been preparing from last three months of this project. All the ground has been done. Now we have to initiate and you will see the progress. Mr. Hong and Hashu Group has a bigger vision. This is the first layer of getting into the Pakistani market basically. First, to cover the retail channel, and secondly, to invite in next 3 years to at least 200 manufacturers to open up their manufacturing and factory up here in Pakistan and spreading all over Pakistan. The final stage of this layer is open up a Hashu city. What it technically means is they want to basically have their own city within a city. This is just a start. This is, you can go to the exhibition hall. You can, the right name is a showroom of China factory displaying their products sample here. The bigger vision is to integrate the Pakistani economy with the manufacturing, living standard and all what is needed in one city. Let's take an example of Barrier Town. Barrier Town provides everything, like they have the good education system, they have a good infrastructure, they have hospital. So that's the plan. The bigger vision in next 5 years, they are planning, which we already been in a conversation with a couple of people. with 10,000 acres, with a very big name in the market. So they are already started. This is a long-term project. This is something will take between today's time to next 5 years. This whole process will be initiated. So this is just a start, history in making. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि पाकिस्तान चाइना की फ्रेंडशिप इज बीन फ्रॉम लास्ट 75 years. So as we say, we should learn from the best. And for us, it is the right time to do a partnership with Harshu Group. So we will learn from the best, learn from their system and integrate the system in Pakistan. So we will actually have the first-hand exposure of people in here with Harshu team who will be staying from day one, from today, from next 6 months to make this whole process better. And again, not to forget, I would like to thank my team who's been working from last 8 weeks tirelessly, especially Harun and Mohsin and all the management of Aussie developers and Aussie group team. ये आप लोग ट्री देख रहे होंगे, इस ट्री का मतलब actual में the Harshu means money tree. So there we are adopting all the channels, all the partners in this operation will make money. So that's why they initiated the name of this group is Harshu. Harshu means money tree. Again, I would like to thank all the honorable members who have come and attended us with their presence here. Thank you again, Mr. Hong. Thank you, Sir Zaid. Thank you, Sir Zaid Gomador, and all the respected fellows of business. Thank you very much.